Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we have got something truly exciting for you. We're going to explore 7 AI video editing tools that you probably never knew existed. So from enhancing your video creation process to even making editing a breeze, these tools are a game changer for you guys. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. Alright, so first up we have ViceCut. So this tool is an AI-powered video editing platform that can transform your raw footage into a masterpiece, with just few clicks. So, with ViceCut, you can easily turn your long-form talking videos into really short, impactful clips with music, or you can say subtitles, and even auto reframe as well. So, these short clips are perfect for platforms, like YouTube Shorts, TikToks, Instagram Reels, and social ads as well. So, what it does is basically automatically detects and trims the best parts of your video, making your editing process efficient and hassle-free for you guys. All right, next up, we have Descript. So, Descript is not just a transcription tool, it's a game changer for video creators. So with now its AI-driven features, you can easily edit your video by editing the transcribed text. You can also cut, paste, or even rewrite your script as well. And after that, Descript will automatically adjust the video accordingly. It's like, a magic. So Descript is a collaborative audio-video editor that works like a doc. It includes basically transcription, a screen recorder, publishing, and some mind-blowing useful AI tools as well. Alright, so next up on our list is Runway ML. So Runway ML is perfect for those looking to add a touch of creativity to their videos. So this AI tools allows you to experiment with style transfer, object tracking, and so much more. So Runway ML is a platform for artists to use machine learning tools in intuitive ways without any coding experience for media ranging, from video, audio to text. So on Runway ML, users can create and publish pre-trained machine learning models for applications such as generating photorealistic images or images caption as well. So it's basically a really fantastic way to make your videos, stand out from the crowd, from the competition. Okay. So next up we have Invid. So Invid is a user-friendly online video editing powered by AI. So it comes with a wide range of templates and AI-driven features that help you to create stunning videos in no time. So whether you are a beginner or a pro, Invid has got you covered in all those cases. So InVideo is like, you can say, do it yourself, like DIY video creation platforms that enables users to turn their ideas into videos in real time. Like, yeah, you heard that right. It basically comes with 4,000 plus custom built templates and 1 million plus royalty free images and video clips, so that it should be like very easy for you to start editing and do that right away in your editor. Okay, next up we have Lumen 5. So Lumen 5 is a fantastic tool for turning your blog posts or articles into engaging videos. Let's just say you find a blog or article online. So with Lumen 5, with this AI, it can automatically generate visuals and animations that sync with your content. Okay, so Lumen 5 uses basically NLP technology, which helps you to summarize your article into a precise and concise video-ready storyboard. So then using computer vision technology, Lumen 5 automatically matches each scene with relevant background as well as photos, videos, and music. It's basically perfect, for content creators and marketers looking to repurpose their written content. All right. Okay. So now next up we have is Adobe Premiere Pro. So while not exclusively this is an AI tool, but Adobe Premiere Pro deserves a spot on our list. Why? Because it has been integrating AI features into its software, making editing more and more efficient for you guys. So it includes auto reframe, content aware fill, and much more. So these features will save your time and effort while using Premiere Pro. So Premiere Pro is designed for a video editor's post-production workflow. It's basically equipped with a suite of powerful editing tools, for content creators and filmmakers to organize and edit video files, as well as to enhance and fine-tune audio and image quality as well. All right, so lastly, we have Design's AI Video Maker. So this tool combines the power of AI and creativity, allowing you to create stunning video content effortlessly. So in short, you can say like it is an easy-to-use online video creation tool that leverages artificial intelligence and millions of premium content. So you can transform your script into a finished, professional video. Okay, it provides a wide range of templates and customizations options, that will make your videos pop up from the market. All right, and there you have it. So these are a list of 7 AI video editing tools that you won't believe exist. So these tools are changing the game for video creators, making the process more and more accessible flexible and efficient than ever before. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.